My video guide will help you to remove the fake browser update alerts that are related to this website called Repairadvancedintenselythefile.vip. Repairadvancedintenselythefile.vip. This is a deceptive website. It now attacks Google Chrome mainly, or other browsers based on the Chromium open source project. The purpose of this website is to force people into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extension. The extension may change a lot of crucial browser settings, for instance, the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab URL. So it is extremely dangerous for people to install such extensions and to deal with these fake browser update alerts by Repairadvancedintenselythefile.vip website. If you see these pop-ups in your screen, then you should definitely disregard their misleading content. If the extension was mistakenly installed, your browser might be hijacked. So we recommend you to fix it manually, and this is the way you can do it. Access the menu of your Google Chrome browser, go to More Tools, and now you need to choose Extensions. Once again, menu, More Tools, Extensions. So if you find any third-party extensions here, disable and delete them. To make sure that your computer is free of any other threats and free of these intrusive ads that you might see in the right bottom part of the screen, we recommend scanning your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the official website combocleaner.com, where you will find the latest version of the program. So combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner using this green download button, install the application and start researching your device, and Combo Cleaner will help to protect your system to make it free of other threats that could possibly be concealed in your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.